Welcome, you are listening Radio Central News. I'm Chandni and now news in detail. India's COVID contagion tally on Wednesday climbed close to 7.5 lakh as yet another steep spike of 22,752 new cases was reported in the past 24 hours, the Health Ministry update said. Total confirmed cases of the pandemic at present across the nation stand at 7,42,417. Lives claimed by the lethal virus pan-India have now reached to 20,642 as 482 more demises were reported since Tuesday, the government data said. However, on the brighter side, with the improving recovery rate, the number of cured and discharged cases have now reached to 4,56,830. The cases at present under active medical supervision in the country are 2,64,944 according to the government data, while the difference between the active cases and recoveries has been increasing on the positive side with more cured and discharged. As per the Indian Council of Medical Research, the country has tested 1,04,73,771 samples till Tuesday. Suspended Chaubepur station officer Vinay Tiwari and another policeman were arrested on Wednesday on charges of leaking information about police action to gangster Vikas Dubey prior to last week's encounter in Kanpur in which 8 policemen were killed. Tiwari and beat in charge of Bikru K.K. Sharma, who were suspended soon after the encounter, have also been arrested on charges of fleeing the encounter site and putting the lives of other policemen in danger, Senior Superintendent of Police Dinesh Gopal Prabhu said. Both the suspended sub-inspectors were detained for questioning and later arrested, he said. A separate FIR has been registered at the Chaubepur police station against Tiwari and Sharma for allegedly fleeing the encounter site, a police spokesperson said. Amid the coronavirus pandemic, CBSE has reduced the syllabus by 30% and dropped topics such as federalism, nationalism and secularism from class 11 political science books and India's relation with its neighbors from class 12 political science books. Among the chapters dropped after the rationalization exercise are lessons on democracy and diversity, demonetization, nationalism, secularism, India's relation with its neighbors, and growth of local government in India. The reduction in CBSE syllabus 2020-21 was announced on Tuesday by Human Resource Development Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, who said he had received about 1,500 suggestions from different stakeholders and after analysis, instructed CBSE to CBSE syllabus. From the updated curriculum, chapters deleted from class 10 syllabus were on democracy and diversity, gender, religion and caste, popular struggles and movement, challenges to democracy. The Weather Department on Wednesday issued a landslide warning for Shimla, Solan and adjoining areas following rains in most part of Himachal Pradesh. Most parts of the state will continue to receive rain in the day, the weatherman said. Shimla MET Centre Director Manmohan Singh said there is possibility of landslides in Shimla, Solan and adjoining areas. Solan received the highest 82 mm rain in the state from Tuesday 5:30 pm to Wednesday 8:30 am, followed by 54.3 mm in Jubarhatti, 48 mm in Dalhousie and 40.7 mm in Nahan. Similarly, Shimla witnessed 22 mm rain during the period, followed by Mashobra 16.8 mm, Chamba 16 mm, Mandi 15.1 mm, Kufri 14 mm, Una 10.4, Keelong 10 mm, Bilaspur 8.5 mm, Manali 5 mm, Dharamshala 2.2 mm, Palampur 2 mm and Kangra 1 mm. BSE Sensex on Wednesday dropped by 345.51 points to settle at 36,329.01, snapping a rally of 5 last sessions following selling in reality, auto technology, consumer durable and power stocks amid negative global peers. The Nifty of the National Stock Exchange too fell by 93.90 points to 10,705.75. The Nifty registered the day high and low at 10,847 and 10,676.55 points respectively. Choppy trade was seen during the day as the Sensex rose by 64 points to open at 36,738.38. It advanced by 154 points to 36,828.43 day high. Later, it crashed nearly 594 points to 36,234.17, the day's low before closing at 36,329.01, down by 345.51 points from its previous close. The sectoral indices strike reality, technology, auto, consumer durable and power dragged the market. In scripts, Bajaj Finance was a major loser as it slipped by 445 PC, followed by Asian Paints, Bajaj Finserv, HCL Technologies and Maruti Suzuki. That is all for the today's news bulletin. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.